Do you want to make money by doing YouTube automation without spending hundreds of dollars every month? YouTube automation is by far the best option you have to make money, because even if you don't have any extraordinary talent or skills, you can still make good enough money to make a living from YouTube automation. And today, I am here to guide you through this journey. If you have the patience to watch this video till the end, I promise you that you will have all the knowledge and tools needed to become a YouTube automation king in a few months. So now is the chance to take a step towards your success. Comment ready if you have the courage to do something for your future, because it will help me understand that how many people will seriously take a step. So the niche we have today with us is the most famous and fast-growing niche named Football Insights and Highlights. As we know, football is the most watched sports across the whole world with more than 4 billion fan following. And no doubt Cristiano Ronaldo is the most famous celebrity in the world. So if your content is about football, there is no doubt that you can easily go viral. This channel here is a successful channel in this niche. And they also make content about football and footballers, their lifestyle, insights, highlights, routines, and many more. You can see by yourself the amount of views they got on their every video. It's a proof that this niche is a successful niche. So today we will learn how you can create and run a professional and successful channel on this niche. Okay guys, we will start with the very basic step so that there is no space for any mistake. We will create a fresh YouTube channel and optimize it for SEO for fast growth on this niche. Now many of you would be thinking, can't we start making videos on this niche on our old channel? So the answer is an absolute no, because on old channel we can have restrictions or shadow ban issues, so we can't take risk because this will slow our progress. And the results which we can get in 90 days on a fresh channel can take up to a year to achieve on old channel. So to create a channel, simply click on your profile at top right corner, then click on switch accounts, and then view all channels, and then create a new channel. Now we will take help of GPT in getting our channel name. So we will ask GPT to provide me some unique, eye-catchy, and easy-to-remember YouTube channel names on football niche, and GPT will spit out every cool name in front of you. So now take your time and just copy up a name that you like, paste it here, and create your channel. Then for channel logo, simply download a good image related to football from Lexica AI. The best thing of Lexica is that you can search any image you want and you will have it, and then take your time in finding your unique image, and once you have it, just download it in this way. Each of you will have a different and unique image for your channel. Then simply open YouTube Studio and go to customization and simply upload your logo here, and take a few seconds to carefully adjust it and then just confirm it. And for channel banner, trust me, you don't need a banner in your starting phase. Now let's SEO optimize our channel for higher chances of visibility across YouTube. So for that, I will ask GPT to provide me a well-written short description with high volume and high search keywords to rank my channel in search results. My niche is football, and my channel name is also provide me relevant tags for my channel. So when GPT spits out everything, first copy up the description and paste it in the description section in YouTube Studio, and then click on settings options, and then make sure you select your country from here, and now go back to GPT and copy paste all the tags one by one in this tag section, and make sure to paste only relevant tags. No need to paste every tag. And then in final, always make sure to write down your channel name 3 times here, once as it is written on your channel, and then once in small alphabets and once in capital alphabets. This will help YouTube to display your channel in front of the viewers, no matter in which format. Search your channel. And then in final step, which is a must step, make sure that you enable all the advanced features of YouTube in starting it. Helps YouTube to understand that you are a human and not a bot. And by doing this, YouTube algorithm fully supports you in ranking your videos in front of a broader audience. If you don't enable all these steps, it takes YouTube algorithm 2 months to build your channel history and identify you as a human. And in all this time period, if these features are not enabled, algorithm is not going to take you seriously. And this is the main reason that most of you keep getting stuck on 0 or a few 10 to 100 views, even after uploading more than 15 to 20 videos. So after all this is done, simply publish all your settings and your channel will be created. Now take 2 to 3 days to warm up your channel and watch videos related to your niche from your channel before uploading your first video. Okay guys, so our next step is to create content. For that today, we have one of the best AI platform named VideoTok. Many content creators you see every day use VideoTok to automate their channels, and you never know that. because VideoTok creates videos so professionally that it is difficult to identify whether this video was created by human or AI. Guys, by the end of this video, I will also tell you how you can get free credits in VideoTok with my help, so don't miss it. So to get started, simply click on Create and make a free account using your Gmail. So after you land on this interface, there are two options in front of you. First, you just enter your video topic and VideoTok will generate script for you. And second, you can just paste your own script here. But today, we are going to use VideoTok to get our script. So first, let's go to GPT and we will ask GPT to provide me some highly interesting, engaging, and hot video ideas for my niche football insights and highlights in form of title. And when GPT spits out everything, all you need to do is simply read all the topics and simply choose a good video topic and copy it up and paste it in VideoTok. And after that, you can select the duration of your video, depending upon whether you are making a short video or a long video in VideoTok. You can make both shorts and longs after that. You can select the ratio of your video, and then comes the image styles. VideoTok has both AI images and Google images for this niche. Google Images is the one that we will use. And then just select your preferred language in which you want your video to be, and then in final, select a realistic voiceover for your video. VideoTok has some really realistic AI voices. You can listen to each voice, choose a good voice for your channel, and then simply click on Generate Video. And VideoTok will start making the video for you. And with an average internet speed, you can expect the video to be ready in 3 to 5 minutes, max. And once the video is ready, you can further edit it as per your need. First of all, you can select some really cool captions. There are so many of them. I personally prefer glowy captions. And then you can further edit your captions, colors and size as per your needs. And then from batch transitions, you can select a specific type of transition for these types of videos. Tape transition will work best. And then if you click on open timeline, and then if you click on specific footage, you can change it as per your choice. You just need to search the image you want to use. And then after you select an image of your choice, simply click on replace and it will be replaced. And like this, you can edit the whole video as per your need. See how easy it is? And I forgot to mention that you can also add a background to your video, like those trending grid and motion backgrounds. But it's not over yet. From this enhance and trim voice, you can automatically remove the silent spaces from your entire video, and your voiceover will become more smooth, which will help you in maintaining audience retention and thus getting more views. And then from music section, you can select a copyright free background music for your video. After all these settings are done, your video is finally ready. Simply click on export and select your resolution, and your video will be exported. Let's check it out.
VAR has revolutionized football, but not without controversy. Here are the top 5 VAR decisions that shook the world of football. Number 5, England versus Iran 2020.
Now that was crazy, wasn't it? Now let's upload our video with proper SEO. Let's go back to GPT and first copy up the video topic again. This topic is basically our title. We commanded GPT in a special way so that it gives us our video topic in the form of title. So simply paste that title in the title section of your video. And after that, we will ask GPT to provide me hashtags for my video on this topic. And then again, paste your video title, and GPT will provide you with all the hashtags. Now simply copy paste 3 to 4 important hashtag and about tag. We don't need tags for shorts, and our category would be education and about uploading time. Make sure you upload your video an hour before most people in your country are online on YouTube. In my country, mostly people are active on YouTube after 6 p.m., so I will upload it on 5 p.m. and done. You have successfully created a professional YouTube channel and uploaded your first video in the right way, and with 3 months of consistency, you will definitely see results. And don't get discouraged if in between a few of your videos get stuck on 0 views. It happens with almost every new channel. And let me tell you, one more thing in this niche. The possibilities of doing affiliate marketing are so much. And trust me, you can literally make thousands of dollars every month that too. From doing affiliate work alone in this niche, you can sell jerseys, shoes, and even you can sell good quality, expensive footballs. And even if one person buys these products through your links, you will earn 100 times more than what you can earn from ads revenue. You can also sell training kits, football jackets, football complete sports dresses, and many more things. And if you are a regular football fan, you will know about what people want more than me. And you can sell those products, and the revenue will be way more than you can imagine. And let me tell you, know how to get free free credits in VideoTok. First, you need to create a free account in VideoTok, and then after you land on homepage, click on this support chat icon coming here in the right bottom, and then type this text showing on the screen and just send it and stay in the chat for a few minutes, and VideoTok support will answer you to get free credits. Consider this a small gift from me and VideoTok.